Simon B. Hey guys, what is up? I'm Simon B and welcome back to my channel. So, today I'm gonna make or recreate Irene's monster look from Seulgi Irene's Monster. This will be, I think, the hardest makeup that I'll ever do in my entire life as of the moment, so I'm challenging myself. It might not be the best, but we'll try, you know what I mean? I made these horns. They're not sticking to my face, so I bought super glue. So let's just say I'm gonna pray for my skin after this, but I'm gonna mark where they're going right there. I have a photo of it on my screen right now, so I'm excited. I'm gonna start now. Like a rough markings of where I'm gonna put the horns. I'm not scared of like super gluing things to my face, but the fact that I could actually remove some of my hairs there is the scariest thought. And now I'm gonna mix up my foundation, which is kind of like a grayish blue tint I'm seeing in the photo. So I don't know. My palette knife, and my iMagic foundation palette. Like a mint one and a purple one. I'm gonna mix those two. Hopefully that makes like a good blue. Just start with. So mix that too. We got like a gray. It's not turning blue, but it's fine, I guess. Maybe we need like a touch of the blue here from Cheekdourl Cosmetics. Just like like that much. I have to glue down my brows. I keep forgetting some steps. Okay, I'm gonna put like a layer and then I'm gonna stop and then finish gluing down my brows off camera. So what I do is I have a erasable glue stick and a spray of water. I'm just gonna wet that a little bit and I'm gonna go in circles and make sure everything is covered with glue, and then you brush up and then you let this dry. You can use like a spoolie too to blend it out. I'm gonna do that. So spoolie it in so it's softer or like it's more blended, and you go to the direction of where your brows really go. So yeah, that's how I glue down my brows. And then I do second layer, third layer, and then I powder it, and then a fourth layer, and then I powder it again. Now that I have my eyebrows blocked, we're gonna start the makeup look. Start off with the foundation, which is what I mixed earlier. A flat foundation brush. Hopefully this is enough. If not, then you have to mix up. This has a blue, but it's fine. You know, just gonna cover that up. The coverage is amazing. Oh, I forgot that we have a spot that we don't have to put foundation on. So yeah. So what are you guys doing for Halloween? I'm just staying at home, doing nothing as I do. I don't know what to tell you guys. I'm just painting my face. So, this is tricky, but we're gonna make it work. It's so hard to film makeup videos because you just feel the need to speak like 100% of the time, but you just don't really have to. That's looking kind of streaky, not gonna lie, but it's fine. Enjoy this time lapse because it's really hot, so. I went through it like that, so I'm gonna mix another one of these, but for now I'm just gonna cover up my brows. I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, now it's almost all covered with the paint. I'm gonna blend this out with a sponge, powder it a little bit with baby powder. Also, I left out like a space in my eyes because that would be black anyways, so it doesn't really interfere with the shape that I'm gonna do. Okay, now we powder the face. Just gonna dust it again with more powder. Now I'm gonna mark off where the eyes will go and the other parts of the face as well. So okay. Let's just do all the shadows first. I'm gonna use my Color Studio pressed powder palette for the blue shadows. This and a little bit of whites as well. These two. Maybe this contour brush. Who knows? Chaos right here. Okay, that's a lot, but interesting. That's looking promising. Gotta do black shadows now. We can do this. Okay, I believe in myself. Yeah, let's use like a smaller brush for like a little bit more of a detail work. I'm seeing it already. Wow. This is hard. Okay, now I'm gonna fill in the eyes with black and maybe put the black here in this part of my face too. Why did I do this to myself? I don't even know. Let's not. I'm gonna paint the other eye off camera, so now I'm just setting all the blacks that I put in. This is really hard, you guys. This is not like a easy makeup look. Let's stop this nonsense. I'm gonna go get you guys back, and it's a red tie. gonna do the black lines now. So.
I'm a little monster.
Okay, so the horns are off, and my hands is dirty. And thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Of course, subscribe if you want to see more of this. No, not this face though, but like my face underneath this. If you want to follow me on all my social media, it's all @IMB. As always, I hope to see you guys soon. Have a great day ahead. I'm a little monster.